welcome back to our channel, and this is me Shilpa. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up after watching this entire video, because today's video is going to be really different than what I used to do before and like what I used to do. So today's video is going to be completely technical and completely useful, I guess. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I made Chatgpt to schedule my entire day, not entire day, the entire week. So I was listening to this entire thing about Chatgpt, this, that, and this, whatnot. Okay, so I literally wanted to test this. So I watched a video where a foreign creator was creating about making schedule or something. So I was, why can't I make a schedule with Chatgpt? So I thought to give it a try. I was very curious to know how this entire system works. So basically what I did was I was just chatting with this entire AI system the day before I started doing this. Basically I did this today. So the first thing I commanded the entire Chatgpt to just make a schedule for me. So the basic thing was the day which I'm making this, that means today is Wednesday. I wanted the entire thing till Friday. So I gave them the instruction that these are my things. That's what, like, I meditate in the morning, I get up by 9 o'clock and I have this appointment for my passport for, the entire thing on Friday. The first thing came, the first schedule came, and in that the breakfast was not there because I had mentioned that I am planning to take an intermittent fasting. So maybe because of that, they just thought that dinner or something can be just there, breakfast can be skipped. So I didn't wanted that. Then I asked them to add on it, but they were adding it here and there, but they were like skipping certain things. That's what I felt a bit like it's not working, because sometimes it is not able to understand what I'm trying to say. But again, I gave a command, sorry, this is not what I want. I want something to be added on this. That means I wanted my work, for example, my entire work routine or workout routine to be by this time. So they tried to add it, but the thing was something other was missing. Then again, I told that I want my breakfast to be just after my brushing, or like just after I get up. So then again I got this thing, wake up to meditate and then get your breakfast before brushing. So I told that I want this thing after brushing, I don't want this before brushing. So again they turned, but the workout session was again going ulta pulta. Then I made again to do this. So after again and again and again and again and again and again, after 7 times, I got a good schedule. But the thing was that till that schedule it was like here and there. But I feel an AI tool can literally think like this, and that was making my entire schedule in just 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, I guess, even 2 minutes. It was very particular about my passport, this thing. So it was also saying that be ready for this thing. And they were actually like properly, when I gave half an hour, they were actually providing half an hour schedule. So I think this particular entire system is really cool. If you have a very hectic schedule coming up, you can just tell them that this thing and that thing is happening. But the thing is, it is AI, and for sure you have to tweak here and there so that you will get a perfect entire schedule for the week or a day or even a month. So this is what I felt after using Chatgpt for scheduling my entire content. So do let me know, what do you think about this entire concept of doing your scheduling your entire day or week with AI tool, because this was so surprising for me that I never even thought in my fantasies, because I used to create my schedules when I was in school to study this and that and all. So even for students, I feel this will be an ideal option. But on the same note, I'll be making a new video related to the entire tools, AI tools, which will be helping if you are a student or even if you're a professional. So stay tuned for that, and also make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I hope you like this entire video. Make sure to comment down below, what do you think about this entire AI revolution? Like, everything is changing to AI. But the only problem is the job and everything is also getting like So make sure to let me know, what do you think, and if you have tried this, make sure to let me know what was your experience by scheduling your entire day. I'll be back with another video, but make sure to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to this channel, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure this video reaches till 200 likes. So yes, thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another video.